Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix controller or gamepad not working in Vampire The Masquerade Bloodlines 2 game. So without wasting a time, here follow the fixes. The first fix is to disable enable Steam input. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Vampire The Masquerade Bloodlines 2 game. This is just an example I am showing with another game because I don't have the Vampire The Masquerade Bloodlines 2 game. So you have to right click on Vampire The Masquerade Bloodlines 2 game and then select properties. Go to the controller tab and here select disable Steam input, then restart the game because changing require restart of the game. So restart the game once and then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then again right click on Vampire The Masquerade Bloodlines 2 game and select properties. Go to controller tab and this time select enable Steam input. Then again restart the game, and after restarting the game, check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 2. Press the Alt plus Enter keys. So try pressing the Alt plus Enter keys on your keyboard. This simple trick can sometimes help to fix the issue. Now check if the controller is working in Vampire The Masquerade Bloodlines 2 game or not. Fix 3. Disable third-party game controllers and unplug additional peripherals. Other peripherals on your PC like third-party game controllers or any plugged peripherals such as USB devices, pen drive, mouse, keyboard or additional controller display, phone, camera might conflict with the game. So remove such peripherals and then check if it fixes the problem or not. Fix 4. Check if controller is properly connected. Check and make sure that your controller is connected properly to your PC. Wireless controller, check if it is paired correctly. Wired controller, try plugging it into different ports. You can also test your controller on different system to identify the issue. Fix 5 is to use a wired controller. This is an alternative solution. Maybe game have some bugs or glitches at present and your wireless controller is not working. So if you have wired controller, then connect it and then play the game as of now. Fix 6 is to verify the integrity of game files. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Vampire The Masquerade Bloodlines 2 game. This is just an example. Then click on properties. Now go to the install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the verification has been done, then you can launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 7 is to restart Steam or restart PC. So close the Steam from task manager, then relaunch Steam and then launch Vampire The Masquerade Bloodlines 2 game and then check. If that doesn't help, then restart the PC, then run Steam as an admin and then check. And the last solution is to update Windows. So go to the Windows settings, click on Windows Update and then click on check for updates, and if there are any updates available, then download and install it and then just restart your PC once. And after your PC restart, then you can launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve controller or gamepad not working in Vampire The Masquerade Bloodlines 2 game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.